Castle 1721 4S challenge. The car basically same gearing, same everything I had yesterday, but I made a slight change. I just want to see if it helps. So I want to wait for this car to go by, just to show y'all that it is counting on the car. 0. Alright, let's hit track start. Let's start it. I think I look clear. I think the car's lined up. I look clear back there. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I ran off into the dirt. I ran out of signal. Couldn't stop it in time. Damn it. Couldn't stop the car in time. Which made me run out of signal. Hell of dirt. Need a bath. I only can run like once a week, so I mean twice. I only can run on the weekends, so I can't really run during the week, so I got a week to get it cleaned up. But let's just see what it did. On 129. I am going in the right direction though, so my change did help. I lost the body clip. Turn this off. 129. So my little change helped, but I didn't get to stop the car. Turn this off.